we use our massage. Listen to my answer. How much money is there? There are many times below this. As long as it is not big, just fix it. Give it to the teacher quickly. Fix it, and after the basic preparations are completed, we will install the controller. That's it. The controller is not completely fixed. I also thoroughly check whether I have fixed it properly and correctly, and then I would certainly get more points. 让云放海。Yeah. Then let's do another one. Alright, let's take a look at this data cable. This data cable is for connecting the laser and the controller. First, we need to remove the screw here on the controller. And after removing it, we install the cable. Need autumn red dates to install the screw. You'll need to keep filming. Prepare the black cable, then plug it in here. This particular one is already plugged in right here, as you can see. Okay. Alright, I'll push it in. Let's screw this in. There's no more of that screen. The carpenter controller is fixed onto the controller mounting plate, onto a support plate. This cable arms. So I'll plug this in. Looking at our mount here, we can keep the original screws and remove them. There's space, so remove the screws from the laser. Let's install this. It's like this. And then install the 4 screws back on. Alright, I pressed here on our controller and plugged it into the air here. After finishing, just flip this up and get the power supply ready. Plug this into our power supply, plug it into our power outlet. That's it for the power supply. The bracket for the light and shadow. For now, just press it under the bands and push it down. Next is this machine, the bracket for the photoelectric part. Press it in here, press it in here. After securing it, the rods of our bracket are fixed like this, just like this. Our light bar can be pressed in here like this, on this end. As for this light bar, it gets plugged into the T-base, and this side is the T-mountain. T-inspect. What if it's connected? My encoder, the encoder, it plugs into port 6, plugs into port 6. And also this one, the screen, this is the screen, the screen's cable plugs in here. And also our port 29. Port 9 hasn't had its plug connected yet. This plug here, the 1135 cable needs short circuiting. It's served as a safety gate. The 135 needs bridging inside, pins 1, 3, and 5 need shorting together, then plugged in. Otherwise, if unused, the machine will stop, it just won't. So this is essential. Then you turn your key. Our key is inserted here. Alright. Okay, now the installation of our machine is basically complete, the basic installation. There's also a network screen and a bracket for the screen. The bracket can rotate, so you can rotate the screen directly like this. It shouldn't be here, it just can't be here. Like this. That's right, like this. Vérifiez là,旁边. Hello. Alright, let's take it down for now because of what's underneath. Now, we have successfully completed the fundamental and essential installation process for this system.